Our top 4 ranked furnace brands. Number 4, Amana. Amana has furnaces that range between AFUE 80 and 98. Their price ranges between $2,000 and $3,300. Number 3, Bryant. Bryant furnaces range between AFUE 80 and 98.3. Their price ranges between $2,400 and $4,300. Number 2, Lennox. Lennox furnaces range between AFUE 80 and 99. Cost can vary between $2,500 and $3,900. Number 1, Daikin. Daikin furnaces range between AFUE 80 and AFUE 98. Their cost range is between $3,000 and $6,000.